The Comet, 2, Summary and Conclusion. The Comet, 2, by Jayant Narlikar continues the thrilling story of a comet on a collision course with Earth. After the alarming discovery by astronomer James Forsyth, renowned scientists drive. Duttada and Sir John Macpherson devise a plan to avert the impending disaster. They name their secretive operation, Project Light Brigade, aimed at deflecting the comet using a powerful nuclear explosion. Amidst their scientific endeavors, Duttada's wife Indrani Devi remains skeptical, relying on traditional rituals for protection. Despite her concerns, the scientists proceed with their plan. As the comet approaches, tensions rise globally. Finally, in a spectacular and suspenseful climax, the mission succeeds. The explosion alters the comet's path, saving Earth from catastrophe. The story concludes with a reflection on human ingenuity, the power of scientific collaboration, and the timeless conflict between science and superstition. The Comet, 2, underscores the importance of rational thinking and collective effort in overcoming challenges. Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for more captivating summaries and educational content.